So time is now. It's finally here. We're finally gonna work on the truck. So a while ago I did a lot of work to it. I finally figured out that it is the transmission. It's been kind of iffy lately. One of my previous videos I said that it was the starter, and it kind of was, kind of wasn't, but it has to be the ring gear. The ring gear is really worn down. I took it apart earlier. I looked at it. The ring gear has like no teeth. So what I'm gonna do is take the transmission down, replace that ring gear, and then hopefully reseal it and put it all back together. So first step for now is just to take everything apart. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking apart my car. The first thing I have to do is I have to go underneath the car, identify what I have to take apart first. So let's take a look. Alright, so we have the transfer case right here. It's all caked up, it's all dirty. I might have to redo the seals. I have the transmission over here, the crossbar in the middle. I might have to take apart the drive shaft, but we'll see if we get there. But first, let's take apart everything from the transmission. Unplug all the wires, unplug all the hoses, and let's start there. As you can see, the teeth on this thing are really shaved off, so it's definitely time for a new ring gear. Okay, so I totally underestimated how much I actually have to take off. Because it's a four-wheel drive vehicle, I have to take off the transfer case, the middle shaft, and then the drive shaft. I'm gonna start right here with these 2 center bolts and take off the spacer thing. Okay, so I kind of underestimated how difficult this project might be. I am gonna have to remove a lot of things. None of the videos or anything on the forums or anything on any website showed me how to remove a four-wheel drive transmission with the transfer case. So I'm gonna have to show you guys how to do it. It's not that difficult. It is a little time consuming, but with enough time, we can get it done spot on. It's nothing that I haven't done before, so, you know, let's give it a try. You know, it's pretty cool having a dad that's been a master mechanic his whole life, because then you have access to unlimited amount of tools. My dad has boxes and boxes and boxes of tools, and I get to use them all. Because he taught me how to do mechanic stuff, and anytime I need to use like anything for working on my truck or working on one of my cars, my dad lets me use any of his tools, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so I ran into a little bit of a problem. I have to go to the store and buy a special socket that I need. I know I have it in the garage, I just don't know where it's at. I can't find it. You know how it is with sockets, you can never find the right socket. Alright, so back to working on the truck. I took everything apart from the shifter. I took the shifter off. I found that socket that I needed. It was this one. So I'm gonna start taking everything apart from the underside. Yeah, let's get started. It's gonna be a lot of work. driveline is completely off. Alright. Okay, so touching base, I took the shifter off, I took the starter off, and I even took the driveline off. So moving on from here, I'm gonna take the shorter driveline from the transfer case to the front differential. I'm gonna take apart that shorter driveline, and then I'm gonna take everything from the transmission. So I'm gonna remove the hoses, all the electrical, and then we should move forward from there. Moving forward from here, it's gonna be a lot. So moving forward from there, it's gonna be a lot easier for me to take everything apart from the front side. So yeah, stay tuned and let's see you for the next one.